only exception. Mabango talaga utot ko. My part is, kasi tawag na. My part is part A. And where are you from, Logan? You want to wait for me? If you can wait, then we'll think about it. Sure. I'm not Cebuana po. I'm Davaoeña.
Dito ka na sa Buenas. Secure at legit. May 24/7 customer service pa. Kaya kung pag-iing tunay lang, i-Buenas na yan!
Pero same lang man yung Cebuana, di ba? Ay, Bisaya ba Cebuana? Yes, love. Wala na, may ka-love-love na ako. Bye, guys. Punta na ako snow. Yes po. From Davao. Diba, magaganda talaga yung mga taga Davao. You said your phone is broken, you still got a charger. Kain na. Very good, remember. Stupid. Or is it slow? Maybe it's useless. There's a cue to work. Hi, Milo. What are you doing now, Logan? Hi, Kororo. Oh, you're from Canada. That's not far. Hi, Tosadjo. Hi, AC. Oh, you live in Miami Beach, Florida. I want to go there someday. Soon. Magkita? Depende. Soon. Oh, all my expenses will be paid. Ayoko na. Soon, after my graduation. I know. After my board exam. I'll always be alright. My boys playing hard to get, and I found it all incompetent. I swear they choose me. I'm not choosing them, amen. When I turned 24, 23. It depends. It depends if I am financially free. 22 next year? I don't know. Maybe. For longer. Dami Pangilinan. 22.5. Grabe. Let me think about it. Maybe 23 is the right time. Salamat doon. Ba't di kita ma-follow
Believe it or not,
You can get paid from abroad in just seconds. Like many
Thanks,
Filipino
Danny.
freelancers with foreign clients, I used to wait for so long for my salary
Yeah, I
to
think
reach
it's
my
the
bank
right
account.
time.
Super inconvenient. With Wise,
I'm gonna take my board exam first. And then go to Florida. Miami? Thanks, Danny. Oh, thanks, Logan. Hmm. I'm blushing. Why are you kissing me? Sure. Thank you. I'm sorry if I'm eating, guys. I'm kinda hungry. What's your country time, Logan? Here. Hi, Chan. Hi, ID number. I wish you were here. Hi, Rilama. Thanks for top, guys. Oh, we're 12 hours difference. Advance? Are you advanced? Or we are? Always there, you're everywhere, but right now I wish you were here. All those crazy things we did, didn't think about it, just went there. I think you're too far. You're everywhere. Soon, I'll go there. I'm gonna travel there. Gonna meet you. Sorry lang. Landi ni ate ko. Afternoon. And it's 2:30. It's 2:20 here in the morning. Magkalayo ang agwat ang atake. Ay, magkabilang mundo. Zen. I just woke up because I'm watching anime and I'm gonna edit some stuff. Do you have IG or like WhatsApp? I know I'm not active on WhatsApp. Do you have IG? We can be friends in IG. I wish you were here. Do you have Instagram or what? What's your mood of communication? I wish you were here. Ano ba yan? Thanks, I like Ruda. No, to those who DMs me, hindi ako nagpa-proper vibrate. Tumatanggap ako ng Gcash pero dapat walang kapalit.